guys, welcome back to my channel.
I got so much to say, never thought it would end this way. I've had so many thoughts spinning in my head. I wanna right my wrongs, never thought they would do such harm. You got so many reasons spinning in your head. That's why you left. Indispensable pain in your chest. Leave us for the best or you would break. That is why you left without a text. I miss you, babe. I'm forgiving everything that we said when we were drunk. It doesn't matter 'cause it all came from. Can't be too late. Been missing everything that we had. I miss you, babe. I miss you, babe.
Hey you guys, so ignore the pumpkins that are sitting in my living room. This video I actually just found. It was extra before I put up all my Christmas stuff. So I figured why not? I might as well still post it. So just go ahead and ignore those. Tonight we're just doing a quick after dark clean with me. Pretty self-explanatory, and I hope you enjoy.
That's why you left. Indispensable pain in your chest. Leave us for the best or you would break. That is why you left without a text. I miss you, babe. Forgiving everything that we said when we were drunk. It doesn't matter 'cause it all came from. Can't be too late. Been missing everything that we had. I miss you, babe.
Hey you guys, so it's obviously the next day, it's daylight, and I'm in a different outfit. I just had laundry to do that I did the next day that I popped in here before we hit the kitchen.
I don't wanna lie, 'cause I know you hate it. But right now I'm stuck in the middle. I stumble while I try, 'cause you don't wanna give in. Sounds like we're just talking in riddles. 5 in the morning, all we do is fighting. Thought you'd come and make it right. I need a pause from the battle, but I don't think you're settled. You don't wanna get it right. I will leave it up to you. I will leave it up to you. Now I'm done and down the line. I will leave it up to you. Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. 'Cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God, this time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God.
I decided to leave this part in here. My boyfriend had just gotten home from work and was giving me some love. But then as soon as I'm done with the countertops, all I do is sweep and mop. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you next time.
Like oh my God.